Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Capital One stop working right after you updated your iPhone? This happens with every major iOS release, and the fix is right inside the App Store and your iPhone settings. First, do a full restart of your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume down at the same time. Slide to power off, wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates create temporary app conflicts and a clean restart clears most of them on its own. After restarting, go ahead and open your App Store and then tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to your account information and look for Capital One Mobile in the list of available updates. Banking apps like Capital One always release a compatibility patch within a day or two of a major iOS release. Tap update right away if you see it. If there is no update yet and the app is still broken, go to your settings app and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down and try to find Capital One in the list. Once you find it, go ahead and offload the app. Then, once you offload it, go to the App Store, search for Capital One and reinstall it fresh. So, all you've got to do is restart your iPhone, check App Store for Capital One update, and offload and reinstall if needed. Capital One will be working.